Oh no. Oh, I was about to say, we left the door open. You scared the crap out of me.
Like, here she goes, this funky camera.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see by the title, today your girl is going to be doing a house tour. I literally just realized how like echoey it is, so I really hope the audio on this video isn't a hot mess. But anyways, so long story short, no, this is not my house, unfortunately. But basically me and my friends rented out an Airbnb for a quick little birthday getaway. Technically not a weekend, but it's kind of a weekend because Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. That's not a weekend, but it's a weekend for us, so yeah. But basically, I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like because it looks so cute. And Jazz is running away because she doesn't want to be on camera, but that's fine.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
She gonna be on camera on my channel eventually. Yes, the freak you are. She does nails, by the way, so if y'all want to check her out on Instagram, Nails by Jazz. Like, she ain't shy, but she acting shy. I'm confused as to why. But anyways, so yeah, basically, like, I'm not used to doing like house tours and stuff like that. This is weird. So basically when you first walk in, this is what the steps look like, and it's just absolutely like, I was like, whoa. And then downstairs is the basement, but I'll show you guys that in a second. So basically when you walk in, you see this little thing here, some cute chairs, the dining area, and then you also get the kitchen. Now guys, this kitchen is so gorgeous. I will say though, like, the only thing that's like irking me is the fact that there's like 3 or 4 flies in here. Like, I don't understand what the heck is going on with that. But yeah, so this is the kitchen, and then this is like the backyard area, and then you got some, you know, decor and whatnot. I really love the pops of oranges that I see in this house. But yeah, so that's basically what the kitchen's looking like. It's really pretty. I like it. Like, I want my kitchen to be like this. Like, honestly, the next time I move, I don't even know if I want another apartment. I think I honestly just wanted to skip and get a house, because it's possible. Yeah, you just gotta get your mind to it, you know, plan and stuff. And then this is the living room. Again, a lot of cute pops of oranges. Like, guys, this is really cute to me. Like, I like stuff like this. Like, it definitely adds a nice pop of color to like all the gray that's in here. And it's like a nice theme. Like, throughout the house you see like a theme of gray, but with like a pop of color. But that's what that looks like. And then the fireplace is probably my favorite part. Like, y'all, this is so gorgeous. Like, that is so gorgeous. And then the TV, of course. And then here's, you know, the thermostat. And then here's the first bathroom. Nothing too crazy. And then there's me. Yeah, so this isn't really too crazy. Now upstairs, y'all, that's where the magic happens. I think I'm just gonna save the basement for last, just because I'm not trying to be walking up too many steps. So this, I think there's like 3 or 4 floors in this house. I'm just like, whoa. See, and your girl almost tripped. That's not good.
Stop it. Get some help.
So then when you walk up the steps, like the first floor, you see this area here. I think I like how he set it up. I'm curious as to how he got the plants over here, because literally right here is a whole gap. So I don't know, but this is one of the first bedrooms, and then this bedroom is actually Jasmine's. I like it. It's cute. It has a nice little closet. You know, like extra beds, stuff like that. Because even on like on the Airbnb website, it did say that it sleeps 17, so guessing that's where that came from. Because I was thinking too, I'm like, wait a minute, there's only so many bedrooms and so many beds. And then y'all, this chair, listen, I need this chair in my life. Like, for real, like this therapist type chair, I need this chair in my life. Like, this chair, I feel bougie. I need to get one of these for my bedroom, but then again, my current house situation, I don't even got the room. But it's okay. It's okay because again, in the future, your girl is planning on moving, skedaddling, upgrading, all that good stuff, you know. This room and then also my room upstairs has a cute balcony, like, so like if you want to stand out here, you know, look at the scenery and everything, you can if you want. If you want to take a smoke break or something, there's that. Just quadruple check and make sure you lock the door. Mama don't play that. Like in my house, it's funny because in my house with my little apartment, I make sure that I double, triple, quadruple check and make sure that my door is locked, because you just never know, and there's crazy people out there, like you just don't know. And then I honestly didn't even know that, I'm mad, I didn't even know they had a washer and dryer here. If I would have known that, I would have brought my comforter set, because I got one of those little portable washer and dryer thingies. Like I got one of those portable washer and dryer thingies at my house, so I don't have to go to the laundromat anymore when it comes to like my clothes. But when it comes to my comforter set, the spinner isn't big enough to hold my comforter, so I still have to go to the laundromat to wash my sheets, and I'm mad because I could have just washed them here. But it's fine. And then next, going into the other bathroom, that's what that looks like. And again, really pretty, really simple. Like, y'all, your girl is hype. Like, this is so pretty. And then like you have another toilet. Like, we really didn't use this bathroom, I don't think, all like that. Again, there's like, it's literally just me and my other two friends. Like, it's not like we had like a whole crew with us. And then here's another bedroom. Again, like nobody even slept in this room. Like this room literally looks exactly the same. And that's what that looks like. Of course, another closet. Then walking up another flight of steps. Like guys, I definitely gotta work out walking up all these darn steps. And now we're going into my room. Yo, I don't care. Even when I was looking at this Airbnb on the app, I was like, this is my room. Like, look at this little area. I love this chair. This chair makes me feel so bougie. Like, look at this. Like, I don't know, I just feel so bougie in this chair, and I love it. Like, it's just so cute to me. Like, yes, I know my hair is looking low-key crazy because I had to do like a quick reinstall, but it still looks okay, like a cute like wet and wavy type of situation, you know. But yeah, just like the little details that kind of just adds up. Like, it's just I don't know, I just love how everything is tied together. So whoever came up with designing the house and all that really did a great job. So then those are the pillows, the 1,000,001 accent pillows. I know, like, it's funny because like females have the stereotype that they like to have 1,000,001 pillows. I really don't care for that. As long as I have at least 3 or 4 pillows on my bed, I'm fine. And then that's all my stuff on the floor. Y'all don't need to see all that. And then there's also another room that's kind of like a upstairs chill type of room. Nothing too crazy, but there's that. And next, guys, probably my most favorite part of this whole house besides the room I'm sleeping in, the bathroom. Y'all, look at this freaking tub. Y'all, I swear this tub is so cute. Like, look at this tub, guys. Like, I absolutely am in love with this tub. And then you get a lot of, you know, like shampoo, body wash, conditioner that came with the house already. And then the shower, like, look at that shower. Now granted, because of the way my hair is set up right now, I really can't go under that, but that's really nice. Ooh, I still have some of my stuff in here, but there's a shower area. Like, I love glass showers like that. Like, this is so pretty. And then the sinks, again, I really like how the sinks are set up. It's really different. And then again, my stuff. And then again, there's another toilet in here. Nothing too crazy with that. And then I like how they have like a clothing rack here, so you can legit like have your outfits and everything picked out. And then we also have a very cute. Ooh, Lord have mercy, we left this door open. Oh no. Oh, I was about to say, we left the door open. You scared the crap out of me.
Like, here she goes, this fucking camera.
I told you I was giving a house tour. I don't know why you're surprised. Anyways, this is a cute little sitting area. Jasmine acting shy, so I'm gonna put her on blast. I was about to say, you don't even look crazy.
I try to sit on that and it's fucking
Right, because it rain. Ah! Oh, I thought I jacked on my toe. I hit the thing.
You went through the whole house.
No, I missed downstairs.
How you missed downstairs?
No, the basement.
Oh, I forgot about that.
Right, exactly. Kima's little hidey home den situation. And last but not least, the basement. Again, I love the little accents. Like, you didn't really have to do all that, but it definitely like ups the house a little bit. But now we're into the final little area. This is really nice though. It is. I guess like low key it'll be creepy at night, but I don't really think about it too much. But this is really cute. Like to have like a little area like all to yourself, like that's not bad at all. And then that's what that, I think that's like the last bathroom. I forget how many bathrooms this house has, but I'm pretty sure I showed like 3 or 4. This room, for whatever reason, is locked. No locked doors. No locked doors. I like this room though. This room is so cute, and then it has a nice couch with it. Like, come on. This is really nice. But yeah guys, that pretty much wraps up the house tour. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This house, yeah, honestly, I feel like it's worth it. I like it. The only issue I have with this house, I will say, is that I don't know what's going on with the flies around here, but that's a no-no. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one.